Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be sharing with you exactly what I eat in a day, so stay tuned if you're interested. So for breakfast I like to make cream of wheat. I prefer cream of wheat because I don't really like oats, so I normally make this if I'm feeling for a warm cereal. So when I'm making my cream of wheat, I add nutmeg and cinnamon to the water. For milk, I normally use coconut milk. So here I'm just adding in my coconut milk and then I make it simmer. I normally tend to use a plant-based milk instead of dairy milk for my cereal, and I normally sweeten it with a bit of brown sugar, but if you don't like to use sugar, you can switch it out with some honey. And for toppings today, I'll be using some strawberry and pumpkin seeds. So for lunch, I'm just having some leftover salmon with avocado, and all I did was simply crush the avocado in a bowl, then applied it to my sandwich bread. This is homemade spelt bread that I made several days before, and then I do the same basically to the salmon. I don't really apply any seasonings because the salmon is already cooked and seasoned from the night before. And for toppings, I'm just gonna add some cucumbers and tomatoes, and that's about it. So for dinner, I made rice with stir-fried veg and garlic stir-fried shrimp. And this meal was so delicious. I really enjoyed the shrimps on this day. All I did was saute the vegetables in olive oil, and I used some butternut squash, broccoli, carrot and cabbage. And then after they're halfway cooked, I applied some garlic. I crushed the garlic clove. For the rice, I just did some plain white rice and added my seasonings. And for the shrimp, I seasoned the shrimp with paprika, salt and black pepper, and I just sauteed them in the pan with some olive oil, and then I added a little bit of garlic butter. Then I added in some chopped green onions along with a crushed garlic clove, and that was basically it for the shrimps. So that's basically what I'll eat in a day. Let me know in the comments what you eat and what you switch out, what ingredients you switch out from what I shared here today. And as usual, thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up if you like the video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.